All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to tear this thing apart. All right, I made this out of tool steel, and I should put it on, weld it on there, but my welding skills suck. So we'll just stick it in there. It has to go all the way in, which sometimes is a little bit hard. Well, doesn't want to go in at all. Oh, there it did. Okay. Then we put this one in. This one I made to use with a slide hammer, but unfortunately it wouldn't work. I couldn't get it out of there. So we'll just use it this way. And it doesn't want to work this way either. I need a strap wrench is what I need to hold this. And then I can get some real strength on it. Turn this way. Yeah, that's right. And there we go. It's off. Okay. There's my pin. Let's put these back. See how this fits down in there? It's still, it just fits right to the bottom. It sits on the bottom, down in the bottom of the hole. I put it in a drill press and just ground it down with my flapper disc. Now the problem is I got to find a place where I'll always know where it's at, and that's not easy. Okay, next item will be sprocket. All right, we need to take the sprocket off, and I've already flattened out the lock washer underneath here, and I just need to get a wrench that'll fit on there, and I think it's a 23 or something like that. Close. Oh no, not even close. Not a 23. Maybe a 25 or a 27. Let's see. 25. I should know all these parts and have them all lined up. All right. Yeah, let's see if we can get a hold of that. Give it a little bit of hold anyway. Shouldn't take much. I don't want to scar up the internals there. And there it is. So we have the nut, the washer, lock washer, and the sprocket, which is brand new. Doesn't appear that there's a upside or downside. So we'll put these over here. All right, down underneath there, there is a collar. So we're going to pull that out. And that collar which is, let me see how many millimeters that is. OD is 25. ID is, looks like about 20 or 19. Wait, got a frog in my throat. The other thing I didn't measure was the length is right about 10. So, actually, yeah, I'm going to need to get the crank out, I'm going to need to take the other side off as well. So, we'll turn it around here, and we're going to need a 13 or 12. I think I can put this back for now. Okay, let's try this one. Nope, must be a 13. All right, that will go in there. Let me tell you what that is. That's a number 8, M8. And it is about 30 millimeters long. Okay, can we get this lever off? I think maybe if we put just a little pressure on it, it'll come off. And that will lay over here. Okay, did I let the oil out of this? I sure hope I did. I think I did. But I better check it. So, let me see. Something to wipe this on. No, I did not. Damn it. What's the matter with me? All this goo on top of here. The Chinesium carburetor was leaking for one, but I found that there were holes in the muffler on the back side. And they were blowing out all kinds of oil, so I got to figure a way to clean that muffler out, then weld up those holes. All right, I think we're ready to, we got to drain the oil out. And what are we going to drain it in? Got to find a vessel. Well, I sure wish I'd have drained this when it was in the bike. It would have been a lot easier. But I guess we'll do it here. And that's going to be, I forget, a 19 maybe? I don't know. Let's see. No, maybe a 17. All right. So let's get this up here where it won't fall down. Like this. Are we all recording? Well. All right, my version of an impact wrench. Old school, I guess. Feeling a little arthritis there in my left thumb. Something you youngsters got to look forward to. All right, let's turn it up and let the oil flow. All right. So, how are we going to get this apart? Let's first take this off. It's a 21. And my guess is there's another piece down inside there. I don't know. Looks like a ball bearing to me. I need a small magnet, or I can just turn it upside down. We got one ball bearing out. Is that the one? Yeah, that's a bigger one. Oh, I just pulled my Kickstarter off. Yeah, I'm going to have to take that probably too. But we'll leave that there. All right, I think this thing will come apart now. Well, it's not going to come apart easy. Am I missing anything? I hope not. Let's take our wood and see what happens. Yeah, I'll say it's not coming easy. Ah, one screw. Here it is. Here it is. There we go. That last screw, I think, is out. Now let's whack it with a stick here. apart a little bit. And now, hopefully, nothing will fall out. This is my biggest problem I have. There is grit down in there. And I don't know how it got there, but all right, we're going to clean it all up. All right. And I think I did get new seals. Well, folks, at this point, I realized a couple of things. Number one, it was 72 degrees outside. Seems like a awfully good temperature to take a motorcycle ride. And there wasn't a cloud in the sky. No rain was evident. So, do I want to stay in the garage and get greasy hands working on an old engine? Or do I want to hop on the bike and maybe head over to Harbor Freight and buy me a oil seal remover? I think that's what I want to do. So, I'll see you tomorrow.